depends on how you're going to react with that particular text or movie. So again, you have to express your opinion thoroughly. State your opinion. So that's it. So those are the 3 steps in writing a reaction paper. First, you have to, ano yung una natin? You have to read and respond. Second, you have to write your own first paragraph wherein it has a strong introductory sentence. Third, state your opinion. Yan yung bibigyan mo na ng reaction. Magbibigay ka na ng reaction about it. What is your reaction after reading or after watching that particular material? Okay, so that's it. So now, let's move with the sample statements to address any type of work. So, ma'am, paano ko ba sisimulan ang pag-express ng opinion ko? Ano yung panimula ko? So, you could use the following sample statements. We have, first, I felt that. Naramdaman ko. Second, in my opinion. Sa sarili kong pananaw. Third, the reader can conclude that. Okay. Fourth, we have the author seems to. Next one, I did not like. Oh, so against ka dun. The next one, the images seemed to. Next one, the author was or wasn't successful in making me feel this cha-cha-cha-cha. So it's up to you. Next one, I was especially moved by. Next one, I didn't get the connection between. Ay, very ka dyan, particular ka. That's why, feeling mo may statement na hindi ka agree. That's why nasabi mo yun. The next one we have, it was clear that the artist was trying to what? So state your reaction about it. Second to the last, we have the soundtrack seems. Bagay ba siya or not? And last but not the least, we have my favorite part was state your reason. State it, and then because, state your reason. So those are the sample statements that you could address as you work on with your reaction paper. So ilan lamang yun sa mga pwede mong gamitin. It's up to you kung gagawa ka ng sarili mo or pwede mo din yung gamitin. So, whatever happens, okay lang. Fourth one, we have to get back up. Paano back up? So, back up your reviews with concrete evidence and examples. So, yun yung tinatawag nating, the connectivity or relativity of that work in the present world. Again, when we say get back up, you can be able to connect those scenarios sa movie or sa text in the present world. Ano yung connection nila? Kumbaga, in Tagalog, yung tinatawag natin, sumasalamin ba sa totoong buhay yung nangyari dun sa text or yung nangyari dun sa movie? Nangyayari ba in real life situation? Is there any connectivity or relativity about that text or about that movie in the present world? Anong connection? Meron ba o wala? So, we're going to explain it thoroughly. And next one we have, so that is the last step pala. So, we have 4. We have read and respond. We have state your opinion. We have, read and respond. We have write the first paragraph. Third is state your opinion. And then last one, get your back up. Okay? So now let's proceed to the parts of a reaction paper. So what are the parts of a reaction paper? First, we have the introduction. In the introductory part, you have to give a brief overview of the topic you are writing about. Discuss the importance of the topic you are writing about and the importance of the topic and present your position on the topic. So, for example, when we say overview, it is like a summary. about that particular text or movie. So you have to present it so that your readers will know kung ano yung pinag-uusapan dun sa text, sa reaction paper mo. And of course, state also kung ano yung kahalaga nun. What is its importance sa mga readers. Yeah. And of course, present your position about the topic. Yun na yung part na magbibigay ka na ng reaction mo about that particular text na nabasa mo or movie na napanood mo. So again, your introduction must consist the overview of the written text or ng movie na napanood mo. Pag sabi natin overview, ito yung summary. A short glimpse about what you have read or what you have watched. Next one, we have the second part, which is the body. In body, you have to begin it with begin the body by stating the main idea of the topic or issue you are writing about, and support the main idea by providing evidence and examples from cited sources and references. So you have to develop your body further by giving your own ideas and opinions, and of course include your reasons and explanations about it. And para maging isang effective reaction paper yan, you could also cite sources or examples in real life. Paano pagdudugtongin mo yung nabasa at napanood mo? Does it has, or is it something to do with real life scenario sa ngayon? Okay. So you may also repeat the above mentioned pattern in the body if you need second, third, or fourth points to stress further your points. That is the body. So next one, we have the third and last one, we have conclusion. Of course, if you create this introduction with an amazing, catchy, trendy statements, then therefore your conclusion must be good as well, just like what you did in your introduction. So dapat is directly related, and at the same time catchy din yung conclusion mo. So in conclusion, close your paper by summarizing the points you have presented in the introduction and the body. So sum up mo mula dun sa introduction and body. So first paragraph and then the second one. So you have to sum up it. With having sum up, you have to shorten the text, but the main ideas is still there. Second, you may end with a concluding reminder to your reader about your thoughts of the topic. So you could use the following statements like, in conclusion, at the end of it, so therefore I conclude, like that. So it's up to you. Next, the third one, we have wrap up your paper with a striking statement that would leave readers thinking. So, dapat may maiiwan ka. Parang, i-encourage mo sila na basahin din yun or panoorin din yun. In a way na kung saan mag-iiwan ka ng statement na mag-encourage sa kanilang i-try yung basahin or panoorin. So, of course, in conclusion, you have to make it clear and amazing as well, kagaya ng sa introduction. So, that is all about how to write, parts of a reaction paper. We have the three parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. So, ang dapat mo lang tandaan kapag magsusulat ka ng reaction paper, you have to state the main points of the author, and then saka ka magbibigay ng iyong sarili reaction about it, your own reaction about it. Nasiyahan ka ba or hindi? Agree ka ba sa kanya or hindi? And so on and so forth. So kadalasan, hindi naman siya binubuo ng third paragraph, minsan hanggang second. Kunyari, yung first paragraph, of course, that is the author's main point. You have to cite kung anong title, sino yung author, important details about the topic, and give your response about it. Give your reaction. And then the second paragraph, You have to conclude. I mean, you have to give your own conclusion about it. Yeah, that's it. Conclusion. That's it. Bye.